Alright, today I'm going to show you how to put in a pocket door handle. I've already made my cuts using a sonic vibrating tool, which is this guy here. These things work great for all kinds of stuff. You can cut that notch out with a jigsaw too. This is just a little more precise and keeps from scratching up the door real easy. Basically, you need to be 2 1/4 inches on your height. That's up and down. And 1 3/4 is what they call for on the instruction manual. I actually cut mine 1 7/8 because when you go to lock this thing, there's a little metal piece that'll stick out and rub the back side of that wood, and you need just a little bit more, about 3/16 more than what they're giving you in order to keep the handle from binding up. Once you get that hole cut, it's pretty straightforward. This is your handle, lock, unlock. Basically it'll come assembled like this. Get the notch cut. This is all you gotta do. Just need to slide it in. Make sure you keep that face of it even. You don't want it to overhang or be sticking in the door any. It's got to lay perfect. Once you get that part done, grab you a drill with a Phillips head, number 2 bit, and simply tighten it in. Be careful not to over tighten with the drill, as it will strip out. That's all it takes. And that is your pocket door handle. Thanks for watching.